shark is looking first rate. Start with a C, big and wide. That's the shape where the shark will hide. Add 2 eyes, don't be shy. Now the shark can see the sky. Follow the red lines, and we'll take you to the shark. And watch your shark begin to grow. Copy the red lines, you're doing great. Your ocean shark is looking first rate.
I am a shark, and I live in the ocean. Or see you next time, kiddoos.